So what we are going to be doing today is a topic called as anatomy shorts, right? So this is a series for this week, anatomy shorts, right? Brought to you by Unacademy on the YouTube channel Let's Crack NEET PG, where you have the top educators, quality content, and you guys are assured a great learning experience, right? So welcome to the channel Let's Crack NEET PG. My name is Chaitanya Mittal. I am currently pursuing my MBBS at AIIMS New Delhi. So let's move on to today's topic. So in this short video for neuroanatomy, we are going to be talking very quickly about the layers of cerebellum, right? So we are not going to discuss the neuronal circuitry. We will only discuss the layers and what are the various cells present in them. What are the various cells present in them? So that is going to be our topic of discussion. After you have read the layers of cerebellum, it will also become easier for you guys to understand the layers of the cerebellum, right? So one or two, three things about the cerebellum. It's also called as the little brain. It's also called as the little brain, right? And second thing, the little brain. If you talk about the little brain, it's part of the brain stem. It's part of the brain stem. It's part of the hindbrain, right? Is it part of the brainstem? Is it part of the brainstem? No, it's not part of the brainstem. It's posterior to the brainstem, and it is going to be part of hindbrain. It's going to be part of the hindbrain. Okay, it is located in the posterior cranial fossa. It is located in the posterior cranial fossa, and it is separated from the cerebrum by tentorium cerebelli. Okay, tentorium cerebelli. Understood? Anything else? It also has two cerebellar hemispheres. Okay, right. So now let's come to the microanatomy. Let's come to the microanatomy of the or neuroanatomy of the cerebellum. Okay. So there are basically, if you look at the types of cells or the types of layers, there are three layers. There are mainly three layers. Okay. The first layer. Okay. So I'll just quickly tell you here the layers. Okay. So the mnemonic is, I'll tell you first the mnemonic MPG. Okay. So the cerebellum, it is like a private garden. It is like a private garden. So it is my private garden. The mnemonic is my private garden. And what are the layers? The layers are molecular layer, Purkinje layer, and granular cell layer. Okay. So just understand it. Okay. So the first layer, the mnemonic is my private garden. So first layer is the molecular cell layer. Molecular cell layer. Now molecular cell layer, it is the outermost layer, topmost layer, right? And it contains two types of cells. Okay, stellate cells and basket cells. Stellate cells and basket cells. Okay. Besides that, the Purkinje cells, they are going to spread out their axons. They are going to spread out their axons. So it will contain the dendritic trees of those Purkinje cells. Okay, at 90 degree. At 90 degree. Stellate cell and basket cells, they are interneurons that are going to release GABA. They are interneurons that release GABA. So what happens? This is the molecular layer. This is the Purkinje cell layer. Okay. So here you have Purkinje cells. They are going to give out their axons, and at 90 degrees, they are going to have dendritic branches like this. Okay. Dendritic branches like this. So that is what is happening in the molecular layer. Besides that, you have interneurons, and those interneurons include stellate cells and basket cells. Okay. I'm not going into the properties. I'm not describing stellate cells and basket cells. Both of them are inhibitory cells which release GABA. Inhibitory cells which release GABA. Okay. Second layer, it's very simple. It's called as the Purkinje cell layer. Okay. And it's for a reason. It has only one kinds of cells that are Purkinje cells. It has only one kinds of cells that are Purkinje cells. Okay. And the mnemonic was my private garden. So for P for private, P for garden. And Purkinje cells, they are very, very characteristic neurons. Very, very characteristic neurons. Okay. They're called as Purkinje cells, right? And the shape of the tree is very characteristic. It goes into the molecular layer, divides at 90 degrees. Okay, understood? And Purkinje cells, they are having very heavy connections, very heavily connected to all other cells. Okay, and they are going to be the main output of the cerebellum. They're going to be the main output of the cerebellum. They also release GABA. They also release GABA, and they are going to affect the deep cerebellar nuclei. What are the deep cerebellar nuclei? Do you remember something like don't eat greasy foods, right? Dentate nucleus, emboliform nucleus, right? Something like that. So those are the deep cerebellar nuclei. Okay. Then the third thing that is there related to the cerebellum microanatomy, right? So anything else regarding the Purkinje cells that you guys want to understand, right? One of the other things is that you will read in pathology that they express a protein called as calbindin. They express a protein called as calbindin. So that is a point related to immunohistochemistry. Last thing is a granular layer. Granular layer, right? So granular layer, what is the kind of cells the granular layer will contain? Granular layer, what cells will it contain? Anybody tell me? So two cells starting from G. One, it contains the granule cells. Second, it contains the Golgi cells. Okay, granule cells and the Golgi cells. Okay. So granule cells and Golgi cells. These are the two kinds of cells that are going to be present here. These are the two kinds of cells that are going to be present here. So that is about the granular layer. So granule cells, they are some of the smallest neurons in the brain. Purkinje cells, they are some of the largest neurons. Granule cells, they are very small, and they are also the most numerous neurons in the brain. They are the most numerous neurons in the brain. Understood? Understood? Granule cells. What about granule cells? Right? Granule cells are very small. They're also very densely packed. And granule cell is also kind of a going to be related to the inputs. Okay. So besides that, you have two kinds of fibers. One is the okay. One more thing about the neuroanatomy, if you want to understand, you have two kinds of input fibers. One is the mossy fibers, the others is the climbing fibers. Mossy fibers and climbing fibers. Mossy or climbing. Mossy fibers, they are going to arise from the multiple nuclei. Characteristic thing about climbing fibers are they are only coming from the inferior olivary nucleus. They're only coming from the inferior olivary nucleus. All the other fibers coming to the cerebellum are mossy fibers. All the other fibers coming are mossy fibers. Okay, that is very clear. That should be very clear. All the input is coming from mossy fibers except that of the inferior olivary nucleus, which is coming from the climbing fibers, which is coming from the climbing fibers. Okay, besides that, you have deep cerebellar nuclei. You have deep cerebellar nuclei. And what are the deep cerebellar nuclei? Deep cerebellar nuclei. You have dentate nucleus. You have dentate nucleus. Then you have emboliform nucleus. Emboliform. Then G for you have globose nucleus. Globose, right? And F for you have a fastigial nucleus. And this is also a mnemonic because you have to remember the order in which they are present, right? These four nuclei, they are, and the globose and the emboliform together, they are called as the nucleus interpositus. They are together called as the nucleus interpositus or the interpositus nucleus. They are called as the interposed nucleus. Understood? Understood? So the mnemonic here is don't eat greasy food. Don't eat greasy food. That's the mnemonic to remember the order in which they are present. That's the mnemonic to remember the order in which they are present. Okay, so you can remember it using don't eat greasy food. Okay, so I hope that helps you remember the deep cerebellar nuclei, right? So that is regarding the microanatomy. We have discussed my private garden, that is the three layers. We've discussed the five kinds of cells present in the cerebellum. We've discussed the two kinds of fibers present, the mossy fibers and the climbing fibers, and we have discovered the deep cerebellar nuclei. Don't eat greasy food, dentate, emboliform, globose, fastigial, where emboliform and globose, it is clubbed together to form the nucleus interpositus. So that is about the microanatomy or the structure, the structural integrities or the minute details you need to know about the cerebellum, right? Okay. Take care, guys. That's the end of this session. Right. So I would like to thank you guys for watching this particular video. So I hope you guys have downloaded the Unacademy learning application. You guys can use my referral code Chaitanya10 to unlock the free plan on Unacademy, because you will need an invite code. You will need an invite code for that, and you guys can use my invite code for that particular purpose. So telling you a little bit about the subscription, we have some of the top educators who are teaching live on Unacademy, and they're making plus courses for you. So these plus courses are paid courses, as you can see, and you will need a subscription to access these courses. At the same time, we have free of cost special classes that are available for you guys. Okay. So what is the details of the subscription? I'll just come to that. Before that, I want to tell you that Unacademy is a one-stop solution for your NEET PG preparation needs. We are introducing batch courses that are live classroom experience. Okay. Now you are having regular testing with special tests and weekly tests. And besides that, we have a doubt clearing feature which no one else has, a dedicated ask a doubt feature. Okay. Besides that, if you look at it, the Unacademy subscription, you can access it from your laptop. You can access it from your smart devices, TV and all. So you have less exposure or strain on your eyes. We've started batches for NEET PG. We have started batches for INI CET. We have batches going on for Next, and we have batches going on for FMG. So they just started this month, and you guys can catch up with these batches. We have an MCQ question bank that has over 34,000 plus questions, right? So you can, on all of these questions, they are made by experts. They are verified by experts and toppers, and you guys can crack your examination if you solve these question banks, right? So Unacademy will provide you flexibility in your schedule, in the language, in the number of times you guys can practice, right? So you also have a very amazing chat feature, and you have the option of interactive polls and the ability to learn anytime, anywhere you want. So just go ahead and download the Unacademy learning application. You know to use my invite code, register. We have two kinds of subscriptions. One is the Unacademy Plus subscription, and the second is the Unacademy Iconic subscription. And in the Iconic subscription, you will get access not only to Unacademy, not only to all the benefits I've just told you, but also to Prep Ladder. And if you talk about Prep Ladder, you have recorded premium video lectures. You have the updated question bank, that is question bank 3.0 coming soon, right? And rapid revision course. Along with this, you will also get handwritten notes. Otherwise, आप notes वगैरह खरीदते हो, 7-8,000 you will spend on that minimum, right? During your MBBS, you will spend that amount. So it's better you get it once. Okay, so you will get the Iconic subscription, and right now we have an offer going on. That's a limited time offer going on for the Iconic subscription. You have to use my referral code Chaitanya10, and you will be able to take the 3-year plan. You will be able to take the 3-year plan for a cost that is less than 60,000, right? The 2-year plan, it's for almost 50,000, and the 1-year plan, it's for 40,000, and this is for the first 500 users only. So take it with my referral code and be one of the first 500 users to take this. And right now, in earlier, this was earlier for 92,000. So you're getting a discount of over 30, it's almost 35,000, right? So go ahead, take this, discuss it with your parents, and you will get access to both platforms, Unacademy and Prep Ladder. So Unacademy will do the role of a live class, and Prep Ladder will give you all the recorded content and all the question banks that you need to access. Okay, so it's a very synergistic deal. And if you want to take the Plus subscription, if you want to try it out, we have a 3-month offer, right? If you take the 3-month subscription, you will automatically get 1 month free, but you have to use my referral code Chaitanya10 for that, right? So that's the referral code to use. And if you want to take the Plus subscription for a longer duration, that is, let's say if you already have Prep Ladder, you can go for the 1 month subscription, that is for 4,500. You can go for the 1-year subscription for 25,000. The 3-month subscription I just told you about is for 11,000. 2 years is for 36,000, and the 3-year subscription is for 45,000. That is after discount using my referral code Chaitanya10, right? So at the end, I would like to thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Remember to hit the like button for the video. Remember to subscribe to the channel Let's Crack NEET PG. Share this video as much as possible with your friends. Okay, and do remember to drop a comment on this video also. And you can use, you can also take maximum advantage of the Telegram channel that is there. The link is also there in the description. It's t.me/Let's Crack NEET PG. You can simply search for Let's Crack NEET PG on Telegram, and you'll be able to find it. So do remember to subscribe to that channel, because you will be able to follow all the educators together. You'll be able to get the notes. You'll be able to get the links for the sessions both on the Unacademy platform as well as the YouTube platform, right? And also remember to hit the bell icon for notifications. Chaitanya10 is my referral code. Please remember to use it either if you are unlocking the free plan or if you are taking any subscription, whether it be a plus subscription or a iconic subscription, right? Thank you so much guys for watching.